Okay, believe it or not, I am on Lakeshore Drive at 3500 North, where the drive has currently been converted to basically the world's largest lakefront walking path. People are walking their dogs, sledding, taking pictures, and coming up here are what appears to be some more cars that are being towed away from the area. I mean, it's like a parade. Lakeshore Drive is like a parade with people watching, all the cars being towed away that were dug out. Not to mention the dog walkers. There's somebody sledding up here. It's like just the world's largest bike path. Crazy.